Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again this is Jeremy Smith. Recently I posted a video about Nikon's new D780 just to kind of give you guys some of my initial thoughts and impressions. There's been a lot of feedback on that video, so thanks guys for all the comments. The one big question that I keep on getting is how this camera performs in video autofocus. Now, I haven't had a lot of time to test the camera, but I did want to go ahead and give you guys sort of like a quick initial AF test. For the test, I used Nikon's AFS 50mm f1.8G as well as the AFS 70-200mm f2.8 FL. I would have liked to toss a few other lenses in the test, but time was limited and I didn't have a chance to do as much as I wanted to, but I wanted to sort of hit the high points. Now the 50mm f1.8, it did fairly well. Actually, both these lenses did well. The focus performance was good. In terms of like the amount of AF noise, we see a little bit more noise with the 50 than the 70-200, which was nearly silent. If you have other lenses similar to the 70-200, like say Nikon's new 24-70 f2.8 VR, I would expect the lens like that to be similar. And I'd also expect lenses that are similar to the 50mm 1.8 to be similar noise-wise. They'd be more noisy. Like say for example Nikon's AFS 85 1.8. Now, the other thing to keep in mind about this test is I did not use any type of external microphone. This is just with the camera's built-in sound. So if you are going to use an external mic, you will get better performance. But I went ahead and just used the built-in sound because I wanted to give you guys worst case scenario. Anyways guys, go ahead and write me in the comments below. Let me know what else you'd like to see. And I'm going to just go ahead and leave you guys with the test that I conducted. Thanks to Chloe for helping me out. I know you got really tired after going back and forth, and we were kind of pressed for time, and my direction kind of sucked. But thanks anyway for helping. You definitely did really well despite my inability to communicate what I wanted you to do. So thanks for that. Write me in the comments below, guys. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this camera, and I'll catch you in the next video. To get it to focus in different areas. So I'm going to record here, and I'm going to tap in different areas so people can kind of see how that happens, like this. And then I'm going to tap back on you again, and I'm going to tap the background again, and then I'm going to tap on Chloe again. Boop.
Like go now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do I turn around?
Okay, that's cool. And now for the 70-200 f2.8 VRFL. Yes, I know the audio in this video is terrible, but the idea is to get the worst case scenario and really see what the autofocus noise is going to be like with the camera. Here we go. All right. Okay, let's see. We'll tap over here on those bags. Okay, then we'll tap back over to Chloe again. And then we'll tap over to those bags over there. There it is. Okay, we'll tap back to Chloe. We'll tap back to these bags over here. Tap back to Chloe. Tap back to those bags back there again. A little bit of a lag there, but nothing too bad. We tap there, tap there.
Now?
Yep.
Do I get really close again?
Yeah, stop about right there. Okay, so now go back away again. Notice that there's a lot of noise when the lens makes a really big focus move, but beyond that, there's not a lot. There isn't any eye detection in video mode, however the face detection does work very well. Also, another side note, anytime you see these B-roll shots, keep in mind you're still hearing audio that was recorded with the D780. This way again. Okay, that's perfect. Cool. Cool.
Done?
Yep.